Good morning, everyone. I was awake way too early this morning. I just was. So I thought, well, why not go ahead and do a flip through video of my latest journal. This one will not be in my Etsy shop. A friend of mine has a gift shop near my home, and she has asked if I would like to sell it there. So I am going to try that out and see how that goes. But I still wanted to show everybody because I think it is just gorgeous. And I was really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, so here we go. Let's see, so the cover is, I showed this a little bit in a video yesterday. This is I printed the cover from Fauxphemera's Vintage Garden on Etsy, and I'll link that below. And then I glued it onto chipboard, and then I used the antique matte Mod Podge to seal that. And then the spine is 2 inches. I tried to curve it a bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is also, I guess you would call it hollow. You can't really see in its current position, but I only attached the sides here so that I was able to curve it out a bit. But I just used some, I think this is duck cloth for the spine, and it is 2 inches. And then I just attached some lace here as a closure. And I love this green. I think it's just really pretty. So we open it up. We have 3 signatures inside. If you can see that there. And the kit, the base kit I used was Tracy Fox Love Junk Journals on Etsy, her Fragmentology Kit. And then I used multiple other kits also by her, and I'll link all of those below. I put some trim on the front pages of each signature. I did some sewing in here, and I used coffee dyed paper. And this is from the Tracy Fox's Fauxphemera kit, these little flashcards. And then I backed those with various papers so you can write on them. Just a little tuck spot here. This comes with the Fragmentology Kit, and then this is part of the Layered Tags Kit, also by Tracy, and her text minis. And I think this word, I'm not sure where that word came from, but I believe it's Tracy's. A little layaway tag, and I just backed that with some I think it's tea dyed paper actually. I have a combination of both in here. And then the middle of the signatures, I glued the edges to make a pocket, and then there is one of Tracy's layered tags in each of those, with some fun goodies inside. Also, all of these are backed. And then just made a little file folder. And a little paper clip out of the tickets. that come with the kit. Here's another one of the layered tags. This one, instead of making a pocket, I just made a little tuck spot there for a couple pieces of ephemera. And then I also made it into a belly band. So there's an envelope in the back and a bingo card that is backed as well. Some of them are backed with just a ivory linen paper. And then I love all the quotes that are a part of the Fragmentology Kit. Then I just added some trim and some sewing onto this little mending thread card. These are actually from the old design shop. The Shabby, I think they're Shabby library cards. I'll link it below. Made a little belly band here for these cute little tags. Just added some of the letters that come with the kit. And then on each of the signatures in the back, I sewed on a little fabric tag, and then this one has a garment pin and a little bead dangle. Sewed some lace trim onto that quote, and then we have another, whoops, sorry, envelope here, and this one has 3 little adorable tiny tags inside. Just a couple. This one I just made from the collage paper that comes with the layered tags and some paper on the back. And then this is another one of the library cards from the old design shop. Another Fauxphemera piece. And then this is a paper clip as well. It's one of the little round ones. Hopefully you can see that. And that just holds this little pocket and another little flash card in there. Oops. Like I said, it's early. I'm having a rough time. Alrighty, come on. Well, I know you go in there because you were in there already. Alright, there we go. I'll do that later. Oops. And then we have another little tuck spot made with pieces from the layered tags kit. And I was so happy with how this turned out. I just used a stencil when I was tea dyeing, or I think this was coffee. It doesn't matter. I just love that, how that turned out. I hope you can see the little butterfly on there. And then we have the middle of the signature with a layered tag. And no goodies inside. And I left most of the sewing thread just kind of hanging, as you can see, because I like how that looks. And obviously, if someone does not like that, they can just trim it off. And then I added some buttons and some fabric and some stitching to these button cards. And just made it a tuck spot. And there's another little stencil. Actually, this one was made with, I used my edge punch, and the paper then, looked like that. And I just laid it down and then sprayed coffee on it, and that's what I got. Thought that was kind of cute. Another mending thread card, and just added some lace and some stitching. Another little journaling card. Oops. Another one of those quotes. It says, "If I do not write to empty my mind, I go mad," by Lord Byron. Pretty much if I don't make junk journals, that's what happens. Oh my, okay. I need to not make jokes early in the morning. All right, so I just made a pocket out of one of the pages from the kit, and a little recipe card. Made some tuck spots with those layered tags, and then another little fabric. And then the last signature, we have another belly band layered tag. I did not, looks like I didn't stick anything back behind there, but there's always room to add more, right? And then, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever," John Keats. I love that quote. Two little tags back behind there. There's some more of that coffee dyed stenciling. And a little tuck spot. A little library card. Another little file folder. And a tag, or a paper clip made from ticket stubs in the kit, or this might have been from the Fauxphemera kit. I know there were a couple in each, and then I just added a little bit of embellishment, and this is just a part, another piece of a page I cut apart, and a tag in there. And then I just made a belly band with these tickets, and then I just added all these little cards. I just thought that was kind of cute. And then we have the middle again, and get it out. Layered tag, the pocket. Two more of those flashcards with a quote. Little side pocket here. Journaling card. Another button card. And library card. Another little pocket. And then I made this, the template for this envelope comes from Art Craft Crazy. She's on YouTube, and then she also has a blog, and this was a free template that she offered, and I just printed it out onto like a craft cardstock, added the stamping and a little bit of embellishment here from the layered tags, and I think, did I leave it empty? Nope. I did put something inside. Yep, just a library card. And that's the end. And the back. And then it just all ties up with the lace. So I hope you like that. I'm excited to let my friends see it and see if anyone is interested that comes into her shop. So yeah, I'm glad, I'm sorry. I'm so glad that you watched today. I might need a nap later, but that's all right. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Comment and let me know what you think about it. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.